The bank check is not money. The check merely transfers money, and by transferring money, the check acts like money. The money deposited is your promissory note property after you sign it, that you give unknowingly to the bank to create money from it. The bank never fulfills their own written contract to loan you money, so the bank does not own your alleged promissory note loan. The deposited promissory note is still your money, and the checking account they set up in your name, which they credited from which to issue your check, is still your money. They only pretended to return your money in the form of a loan. The bank wrote the promissory note or loan contract, right? Why do you have to fulfill your end of the agreement when the bank refuses to fulfill their end of their own agreement or contract? And they refuse to sign it because this would prove fraud if they did, because they did not loan you their money. This is because of most court judges' ignorance of the UCC, state statutes, and contract law. If the bank does not loan you their money, they have not fulfilled the agreement or contract, and the presumed and alleged loan and mortgage contract or any contract, whether it be a credit card, automobile, or any other contract, is both null and void. To learn how to use a negotiable security instrument under the UCC, state, and international law, go to www.debtloanpayoff.com now. Yes, you can go to www.debtloanpayoff.com now to pay off your loan using the government's money without you having to risk a penny of your own money to pay off your alleged loan and save your labor. Go to www.debtloanpayoff now and pay off your loan.